Hello and welcome. I'm going to be talking about Lab 6, which is motor control. And for this, we're going to be doing the motor testing and then the speed control in one video because I have it all ready. So for the code, it's pretty simple. We set the pin modes to outputs for motor 1, motor 2. And then make sure all of it's wired up correctly, as it should be. And then for the loop, we're going to be motor 1 testing, which is both forward and both backwards at the same time. So to do that, I made two functions, both forward and both backwards. And then I set pin 3 is low, pin 2 is high, pin 4 is low, and pin 5 is high. And then set both of them, I make a for loop and count to 200 instead of the maximum for just the both of them, and then I write both of the pins I have to the number that it is at the same time, so they both will be moving, and then I decelerate both to 0. And then for the backwards, it's the same thing, it's just going backwards. And for forward, it's just one motor instead of two. That's the only difference. And for backwards, the same thing. And then for speed control, it's going to be motor 1, which is forward 1 and backward 1, and the motor 2 is forward 2 and backwards 2. Let's start. So both of them are going forward, stops, goes backward, negative number, stops. Motor 1 goes forward, stop. Motor 1 goes backwards, stop. Motor 2 goes forward, stop, and then it goes backwards and stops. And I found out that 1 is better than 10 because for me, for 10 microseconds makes it kind of jumpy. See, it's kind of like that. And I like it smooth, so it's not, all going around it everywhere. It just looks, not correct. So it makes it a lot smoother once it gets to the maximum point that it can get, and then it goes slower. So that's why I used 1 instead of 10, and I used 2 seconds to delay in between to make sure that it is going in the correct position that I want it to go in. And that's about it. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a great rest of your day. Bye.